Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel again.
My name is Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we're going to learn a very important English topic in a super easy way.
Yes, today we are learning present perfect and present perfect continuous.
And don't worry if these names sound difficult.
Because today we will explain everything step by step in very easy English.
We will learn structure, helping verbs, verb forms, positive sentences, negative sentences, and questions.
And we will also practice daily life examples and spoken English examples.
We will also learn common mistakes that many English learners make.
And we will fix those mistakes together.
So, by the end of this lesson, you will understand both tenses clearly.
And you will start using them confidently in daily English conversations.
So, grab your notebook, relax, and learn with us.
And if you enjoy this lesson, subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
All right, Anna, let's begin with a simple question.
Okay.
Have you ever studied present perfect before?
Yes, I have studied it a little.
Very nice. That is present perfect.
Oh, really?
Yes, you said I have studied it.
Interesting.
Now listen to this sentence carefully.
Okay.
I have been reading for 2 hours.
That sounds different.
Exactly. That is present perfect continuous.
So today we will learn the difference between these two tenses.
Exactly.
I think many students get confused here.
Yes, many students do.
Honestly, sometimes I also get confused.
That's completely okay.
Good.
Let's start with present perfect first.
All right.
We use present perfect for actions that happened in the past but are connected to now.
Can you explain that in a simpler way?
Of course.
Great.
For example, I have finished my homework.
So the homework is finished now.
Exactly.
Oh, now I understand.
Very easy, right?
Yes.
Now, let's look at the structure.
Okay.
The structure is subject plus have, has plus past participle.
Past participle means third form of the verb?
Exactly.
Can you give some examples?
Sure.
I'm ready.
I have eaten breakfast.
He has cleaned his room.
Perfect.
We have watched this movie.
Very good.
They have arrived.
Excellent.
So with I, we, they, and you, we use have.
Correct.
And with he, she, and it, we use has.
Exactly right.
Very easy.
Now let's practice more examples.
Yes, please.
I have lost my keys.
She has called her friend.
We have completed the work.
He has broken his phone.
Great job.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about present perfect continuous.
Okay.
We use present perfect continuous for actions that started in the past and are still continuing now.
Can you give an easy example?
Sure.
Thanks.
I have been reading for 1 hour.
So the reading started in the past and is still happening now.
Exactly.
Oh, now I see the difference.
Great.
What is the structure?
The structure is subject plus have, has plus been plus verb plus ing.
So we use been and the ing form.
Exactly.
Can we practice examples?
Of course.
Awesome.
I have been working since morning.
She has been cooking for 2 hours.
Very good.
They have been playing football.
Excellent.
This is actually easier than I thought.
Yes, English becomes easy when you practice slowly.
That's true.
Now, let's compare both tenses together.
This part is very important.
Yes, very important.
I'm listening carefully.
Listen to this. I have painted the wall.
Okay.
This means the action is finished.
The wall is completely painted now.
Exactly.
What about present perfect continuous?
Listen carefully. I have been painting the wall. This means the action is still continuing or we want to focus on the activity.
Oh, so maybe the wall is not finished yet.
Exactly.
Wow, this is making sense now.
Good.
Can we do more comparisons?
Absolutely.
Yay.
I have written 5 emails.
Finished action.
Correct.
What about the continuous form?
I have been writing emails all morning.
So here we focus on the activity and time.
Exactly right.
Great.
Now let's learn about for and since.
Oh, yes. Many students get confused about these words.
Very true.
Please explain simply.
We use for to show a period of time.
Like 2 hours,
Exactly.
3 days,
Yes.
5 years.
Perfect. Now listen, I have been waiting for 2 hours.
Okay.
Now since shows the starting point.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Thanks.
Since morning.
Since Monday.
Since 2020.
Since breakfast.
Excellent.
Can we make sentences?
Of course.
Let's do it.
I have been living here since 2022.
She has been studying since morning.
Very good.
We have been waiting for 30 minutes.
Excellent.
They have been working for many years.
Perfect job.
Thank you.
Now let's learn negative sentences.
Okay.
In present perfect, we use have not or has not.
Can we use contractions?
Yes, of course.
Like haven't and hasn't?
Exactly.
Nice.
I have not finished my work.
Or I haven't finished my work.
Perfect.
She hasn't called me.
Excellent.
They haven't eaten dinner.
Very good.
Now what about present perfect continuous negatives?
Very easy.
Tell us.
Subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb plus ing.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Great.
I have not been sleeping well.
She hasn't been feeling good.
Excellent.
They haven't been practicing English.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can we learn questions now?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
For present perfect questions, we start with have or has.
Like this. Have you finished your homework?
Exactly.
Has she arrived?
Perfect.
Have they watched the movie?
Excellent job.
Yay!
Now present perfect continuous. Again, we start with have or has.
Okay.
Then been plus verb plus ing.
Example, please.
Have you been studying?
Has he been sleeping?
Very good.
Have they been waiting long?
Excellent job.
Yay!
Now let's practice WH questions.
Very important for conversation English.
Exactly.
Let's do it.
Where have you been?
Why has she cried?
Dead.
What have they eaten?
Excellent.
Now continuous?
Why have you been laughing?
Where has he been working?
Perfect.
How long have they been traveling?
Amazing.
I think students are understanding now.
Yes, and now we will talk about common mistakes.
Oh, yes.
Many students say, I am living here since 2020.
Is that wrong?
Yes.
What is correct?
I have been living here since 2020.
Oh, because the action started in the past and continues now.
Exactly.
Very important point.
Another mistake, she have finished her work.
I think that is wrong.
Correct.
Because with she, we use has.
Exactly right.
So the correct sentence is she has finished her work.
Perfect.
Can I make a mistake now?
Of course.
I has been studying English.
Almost correct.
Oops.
We say, I have been studying English.
Because with I, we use have.
Exactly.
Good correction.
Now let's do spoken English practice.
This will help viewers speak naturally.
Exactly.
Let's begin.
Hi, Anna. Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, I have already eaten.
Very natural.
Now you answer this. What have you been doing today?
I have been recording videos all day.
Nice.
Now another one.
Okay.
Why are you tired?
Because I have been working since morning.
Excellent spoken English example.
Thank you.
Now let's do a mini quiz.
Yes, I love quizzes.
Viewers, practice with us.
And comment your answers below.
Sentence number 1. I, blank, finished my homework.
Have?
Correct.
Yay!
Sentence number 2. She has been, blank, for 2 hours.
Studying?
Exactly.
Very easy.
Now let's learn one very important difference.
Okay.
Sometimes present perfect talks about the result.
And present perfect continuous talks about the activity?
Exactly.
Can you show us with examples?
Of course.
Great.
I have cooked dinner.
So dinner is ready now.
Exactly.
What about the continuous form?
I have been cooking dinner.
So maybe the food is still cooking.
Yes.
Or maybe we just want to focus on the activity.
Perfect explanation.
Thank you.
Now another example.
I'm ready.
I have read 3 books this month.
This focuses on the result.
Exactly.
And I have been reading all day.
Perfect.
Now we focus on the activity and time.
Excellent.
This difference is becoming very clear now.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can we practice more real conversations?
Absolutely.
That helps beginners a lot.
Okay, listen carefully.
Ready.
Hi, Anna. Why are your clothes dirty?
Because I have been playing football.
Very natural.
Now your turn.
Okay.
Tom, have you completed the report?
Yes, I have completed it.
Excellent.
Now another conversation.
Let's do it.
Why is Sarah tired?
She has been working all day.
Good.
Has John called you?
No, he hasn't called me yet.
Very nice.
Now let's talk about words we often use with these tenses.
Important topic.
With present perfect, we often use already, yet, just, ever, never.
Can you explain them simply?
Of course.
Thanks.
Already means something happened earlier than expected.
Example, please.
I have already finished my homework.
Nice.
Yet is often used in negative sentences and questions.
Like, have you eaten yet?
Exactly.
Or, I haven't eaten yet.
Perfect.
What about just?
Just means a short time ago.
Example.
She has just arrived.
Oh, very recent action.
Exactly.
And ever.
Ever means at any time in your life.
Like, have you ever visited London?
Perfect.
And never means not at any time.
Exactly.
I have never seen snow.
Excellent.
Now what words are common in present perfect continuous?
Great question.
Thank you.
We often use for, since, all day, all morning, lately, recently.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Awesome.
I have been studying all night.
She has been feeling sick lately.
They have been practicing recently.
We have been driving for 5 hours.
Excellent examples.
Thank you.
Now let's practice correcting mistakes again.
Students love this part.
Yes, because mistakes help us learn.
Very true.
Okay, listen carefully.
Ready.
I have been eaten lunch.
That sounds wrong.
Correct.
Because after been, we use verb plus ing.
Exactly.
So the correct sentence is, I have been eating lunch.
Perfect.
Next one.
She has finished her work.
Wrong again.
Yes.
We need the third form.
Exactly.
She has finished her work.
Excellent.
Another one, please.
They has been waiting.
Wrong helping verb.
Correct.
Because with they, we use have.
Exactly.
They have been waiting.
Perfect job.
This practice is very useful.
I agree.
Can we do a speaking challenge now?
Great idea.
Come on, viewers, practice with us.
Pause the video and make one present perfect sentence.
And make one present perfect continuous sentence, too.
Very good practice.
Okay, Tom, I want to try some examples myself.
Go ahead.
I have cleaned my kitchen.
Perfect.
I have been cleaning my kitchen since morning.
Excellent difference.
First sentence focuses on the result.
Exactly.
Second sentence focuses on the activity.
Correct.
Now you try.
Okay.
I'm listening.
I have written 10 emails today.
Result.
Right.
And the continuous form?
I have been writing emails all afternoon.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about short answers.
Oh, yes. Very important for conversations.
Exactly.
Teach us.
Question. Have you finished your work?
Short answer, yes, I have.
Excellent.
Or, no, I haven't.
Perfect.
Now, continuous.
Have you been exercising?
Yes, I have.
Correct.
Or, no, I haven't.
Very good.
Simple and natural.
Exactly.
Can we do more daily English examples?
Absolutely.
Great.
I have lost my wallet.
She has traveled to many countries.
We have watched that show before.
He has broken his glasses.
Excellent.
Now, continuous examples.
I have been waiting for the bus.
She has been learning English online.
They have been talking for hours.
She has been working at this company since 2021.
Perfect.
I think viewers are getting more confident now.
Yes, and confidence is very important in English learning.
Sometimes students know grammar, but they feel shy.
That's true.
So viewers, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly.
Practice every day.
Speak English slowly and clearly.
And never stop learning.
Very good advice.
Thank you.
Now let's do another mini quiz.
Yes.
Viewers, answer with us.
Ready, everyone?
Sentence number 1. She, blank, been studying since morning.
Has.
Correct.
Easy.
Sentence number 2. We have blank the movie already.
Seen.
Perfect.
Next.
I have been blank English for 2 years.
Learning.
Excellent.
Good job, everyone.
Now let's make longer conversations.
That will help spoken English a lot.
Exactly.
Let's begin.
Hey, Anna, why are you so happy today?
Because I have passed my exam.
That's wonderful.
Thank you. I have been studying very hard for months.
Excellent use of both tenses.
Yay!
Now another one.
Okay.
Tom, your hands are dirty.
What will you say?
I have been fixing my bike,
Good.
but now I have fixed it.
Amazing example.
Thank you.
One sentence shows the activity.
And the second sentence shows the result.
Perfect combination.
Now let's give viewers a memory trick.
Oh, yes. Easy tricks help a lot.
Very true.
Tell us the trick.
If you want to focus on the finished result, use present perfect.
Okay.
If you want to focus on the activity or duration, use present perfect continuous.
Wow, that is simple.
Very simple.
Result equals present perfect.
Exactly.
Activity and time equals present perfect continuous.
Perfect memory trick.
I will remember this forever now.
That's great.
Can we quickly review helping verbs again?
Of course.
Because repetition helps beginners.
Absolutely.
Okay, tell us.
Present perfect has/have plus third form.
Example, she has eaten.
Perfect.
Now continuous.
Has/have plus been plus verb ing.
Example, she has been eating.
Excellent.
Now I want to test you.
Haha, okay.
Which sentence is correct? He have finished his work.
Wrong.
Why?
Because with he, we use has.
Correct sentence?
He has finished his work.
Great.
Now my turn.
Okay.
Which sentence is correct? They have been play football.
Wrong.
Correct.
After been, we use verb plus ing.
Excellent.
So, they have been playing football.
Perfect.
This is becoming really easy now.
Yes, practice makes everything easier.
Viewers, keep practicing with us daily.
And try to make your own examples.
You can talk about your real life.
Exactly.
Like, I have studied today.
Or, I have been studying since morning.
Very natural daily English.
Now let's do a final quick revision.
Okay.
Present perfect talks about finished actions and results.
Structure have/has plus third form.
Excellent.
Present perfect continuous talks about actions continuing over time.
Perfect.
Structure have/has plus been plus verb ing.
Amazing.
We also learned positive, negative, and question sentences.
We also learned WH questions.
And common mistakes.
And spoken English practice.
And daily life examples.
Great job, everyone.
Seriously, if you watched till the end, you are doing amazing.
Yes, be proud of yourself.
English becomes easy when you practice step by step.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
Every English speaker makes mistakes while learning.
So keep practicing every day.
Speak English loudly and confidently.
And don't forget to comment your own example sentences below.
We love reading your comments.
And subscribe to English with Tom and Anna for more easy English lessons.
Like this video and share it with your friends and family.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Take care and keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you in the next lesson.